Our subject today is engineering soil testing. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Engineer in Germany. Subject: engineering soil testing. Our list starts with 1. Water content. 2. Specific gravity. 3. Grain size analysis, dry and wet sieve analysis. 4. Grain size analysis, hydrometer method. 5. Liquid limit. 6. Plastic limit. 7. Shrinkage factors. 8. Free swell index. 9. Swelling pressure. 10. Light compaction dry density. 11. Light compaction, moisture content. 12. Heavy compaction dry density. 13. Heavy compaction moisture content. 14. Unconfined compressive strength UCS. 15. Triaxial compression test Cohesion C. 16. Direct shear cohesion Intercept C. 17. Relative density. 18. Consolidation test initial void ratio, E0. 19. CBR, California bearing ratio. 20. Falling head permeability. 21. Constant head permeability. 22. Laboratory vane shear test. 23. Direct shear angle of shearing resistance phi. 24. Triaxial compression test angle off shear plane. 25. Thank you for watching. To watch the old and new videos in our engineering channel, Engineer in Germany, click like, subscribe, and share the channel with your engineers friends and all other friends. We promise that you will find more valuable information.